Just like demand for mechanical keyboards reflects the need for precision, durability, and convenience among typists and gamers, homeowners are now looking for smart, touchless kitchen faucets that bring those same qualities to their kitchen. In this guide, we evaluate the best touchless kitchen faucets.
List 1. Falcon Depot Touchless Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer, motion sensor, 20 inches high arch design. The Falcon Depot Touchless Kitchen Faucet combines elegance with practicality, offering a tall, 20-inch high arch design for maximum clearance. Its motion sensor is responsive and precise, providing a seamless hands-free experience that helps keep your kitchen more hygienic. The pull-down sprayer features 2 modes, stream and spray, making it easy to rinse vegetables or wash dishes efficiently. Built from durable stainless steel with a brushed finish, this faucet resists fingerprints and water spots, maintaining its shine. List 2. Arafa Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer, Smart Motion Sensor Kitchen Sink Faucet. The Arafa Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet stands out with its bold, matte black finish, adding a contemporary touch to any kitchen. Featuring an advanced motion sensor, it detects your hand movements quickly and accurately, reducing the risk of messes. The pull-down sprayer with flexible hose allows you to reach all corners of your sink effortlessly, and the dual spray modes make it easy to switch between rinsing and powerful cleaning. Users appreciate the durable brass construction and easy-to-maintain surface that resists rust and scratches.
List number: HICFET Touchless Kitchen Sink Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer, Stainless Steel Smart Motion Sensor Faucet. The HICFET Touchless Kitchen Sink Faucet delivers dependable performance and elegant design at an affordable price. Made from premium stainless steel, it's built to resist corrosion and fingerprint while offering a clean, modern look. The motion sensor is thoughtfully positioned and highly sensitive, ensuring a reliable hands-free experience that saves water and keeps your kitchen more sanitary. Its pull-down sprayer provides a wide range of motion, perfect for large sinks, and easily toggles between spray and stream modes. Installation is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. Many users note its quiet operation and consistent water flow.
List 4. Touchless Kitchen Sink Faucet, Motion-Activated Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. 360 degrees rotated high arc faucet with sensor on side. This touchless kitchen sink faucet features a high arc, 360 degrees rotating spout that provides unmatched flexibility while working in the kitchen. Its motion-activated sensor is placed conveniently on the side, minimizing accidental activation while still offering quick, hands-free control. The pull-down sprayer provides 2 spray modes and a long, flexible hose that reaches every corner of the sink with ease. Made from brushed nickel stainless steel, this faucet resists smudges and spots, keeping it looking polished even after heavy use. List 5. Moen Riley Spot Resist Stainless, Hands-Free, Touchless Sensor Single-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. The Moen Riley Touchless Kitchen Faucet is a top-tier option from a trusted brand, combining advanced technology with premium craftsmanship. Featuring Moen's Motion Sense technology, it offers a highly responsive and precise hands-free experience. The spot-resist stainless finish keeps the faucet looking clean by resisting fingerprints and water spots. The pull-down sprayer with Power Clean technology delivers more spray power while using less water, making cleanup faster and more efficient. Users appreciate the solid metal construction, smooth handle operation, and easy installation. Moen's limited lifetime warranty also gives added peace of mind.